This production run begins as fresh jackfruit arrives at the factory intake area for controlled processing. Each jackfruit shipment is logged and tracked to maintain full process accountability.
Initial visual inspection ensures only acceptable jackfruit proceeds further into the facility.
Ripeness assessment is critical to guarantee consistent jackfruit processing results.
Damaged or overripe jackfruit is separated to protect overall product quality.
Only carefully inspected jackfruit moves forward for the next stage of processing.
Each jackfruit is thoroughly washed to remove dirt, residues, and external impurities.
High-pressure cleaning ensures all jackfruit surfaces are sanitized for safe handling.
Post-wash inspection confirms that each jackfruit meets cleanliness standards before processing. Peeling machines carefully remove the tough outer skin of jackfruit without damaging the edible parts. Workers remove the core from each jackfruit segment to prepare for further processing.
Seed removal is performed meticulously to ensure high-quality jackfruit pulp.
Seedless jackfruit is conveyed smoothly for uniform slicing into desired sizes.
Precision slicing guarantees uniformity for processing into multiple jackfruit products.
Operator adjustments ensure each jackfruit slice meets strict size specifications.
A final rinse removes any residual particles from the sliced jackfruit.
Quality control checks are conducted to confirm that jackfruit slices are ready for drying.
Industrial drying preserves jackfruit while removing excess moisture efficiently.
Continuous monitoring guarantees that jackfruit slices retain optimal texture and flavor.
After drying, jackfruit slices are cooled gradually to maintain quality and prevent condensation.
Each batch of cooled jackfruit slices is carefully inspected to ensure uniform dryness and consistency.
Any jackfruit slices that do not meet standards are separated to maintain overall product quality.
Properly dried jackfruit slices are conveyed toward grinding machines for pulp or powder production. Industrial grinding transforms dried jackfruit slices into fine powder for multiple applications. Continuous monitoring ensures that jackfruit powder maintains uniform particle size. Pneumatic transport moves jackfruit powder safely and hygienically to sieving machines. Sieving guarantees that only smooth, finely processed jackfruit powder proceeds further. Manual inspection removes any clumps to maintain high-quality jackfruit powder standards. Blending tanks ensure uniformity in every batch of jackfruit powder.
Proper environmental control in blending prevents moisture absorption in jackfruit powder. Conveyors efficiently move processed jackfruit powder to packaging without contamination. Packaging preparation ensures that jackfruit powder remains hygienic and shelf-stable.
Precise filling machines maintain consistency and prevent product loss during packaging.
Proper sealing preserves jackfruit powder quality and prevents moisture intrusion. Batch and expiry information on each jackfruit container guarantees safety and transparency for consumers.
Any jackfruit container failing weight checks is separated to maintain strict quality standards.
Secondary inspection ensures that every container of jackfruit powder meets safety and quality regulations. Airtight inspection preserves the freshness of jackfruit powder during storage and transport. Proper palletizing prepares jackfruit packages for safe handling and warehouse storage.
Climate-controlled storage maintains jackfruit powder quality over long periods.
Routine sampling ensures the quality of jackfruit powder remains consistent over time. Organized storage ensures that jackfruit packages are easy to locate and retrieve efficiently.
Selected jackfruit pallets are moved to dispatch areas for timely delivery to customers.
Final visual inspection guarantees that only perfect jackfruit products leave the factory. Trucks are loaded carefully to protect jackfruit packages during transportation.
Proper securing prevents damage to jackfruit packages during transit.
Once loaded, trucks containing jackfruit products leave for distribution to markets or processing clients.
Detailed shipment records track every batch of jackfruit from factory to customer delivery.
Each shipment of jackfruit is verified against records to ensure accuracy. Reusing pallets efficiently supports the continuous jackfruit production cycle.
The next batch of jackfruit begins the continuous processing cycle at the factory. Clean working environments are essential for handling jackfruit products safely. Initial inspection ensures only intact jackfruit enters the processing line.
Rejected jackfruit is removed to maintain quality standards throughout production. Carefully selected jackfruit is conveyed for washing and further preparation. Thorough washing removes external contaminants from every jackfruit.
Post-wash inspection ensures that jackfruit meets hygiene standards.
Core removal is performed carefully to preserve the edible pulp. Seed removal ensures high-quality jackfruit pulp for processing. Precision slicing creates uniform jackfruit portions for consistent product quality.
Operator adjustments guarantee each jackfruit slice meets exact specifications. A final rinse removes any remaining impurities from jackfruit slices.
Cooled jackfruit slices are checked to confirm they are ready for drying.
Controlled drying removes moisture while preserving jackfruit flavor and texture.
Continuous monitoring ensures jackfruit slices are dried evenly and safely.
Cooling prevents condensation and maintains the quality of dried jackfruit.
Quality control ensures each batch of jackfruit meets factory standards.
Grinding transforms dried jackfruit into fine powder suitable for multiple products.
Operators ensure that jackfruit powder remains uniform throughout production.
Pneumatic transport moves jackfruit powder safely for further processing. Sieving guarantees only finely processed jackfruit powder proceeds further.
Manual checks remove irregular clumps to maintain quality standards.
Blending ensures consistency across every batch of jackfruit powder.
Controlled environment prevents moisture absorption and preserves jackfruit quality.
Conveyors transport jackfruit powder to packaging stations efficiently.
Clean packaging ensures jackfruit powder remains hygienic and shelf-stable. Accurate filling maintains consistency in every jackfruit product container.
Heat sealing preserves the freshness and quality of jackfruit powder.
Labeling ensures each jackfruit container is traceable and clearly identified. Batch and expiry details guarantee safety and compliance for all jackfruit products.
Weight verification ensures each jackfruit container meets specification.
Any container not meeting standards is separated to maintain product quality.
Secondary inspection confirms that all jackfruit packages are safe for storage.
Airtight inspection preserves the freshness of jackfruit powder.
Palletizing ensures safe handling and easy warehouse organization for jackfruit products.
Climate-controlled conditions maintain jackfruit quality over long periods.
Random sampling guarantees consistent quality for all stored jackfruit products.
Pallets are prepared for distribution to markets or clients.
Final inspection ensures only perfect jackfruit products are dispatched.
Proper loading protects jackfruit packages during transportation. Securing pallets prevents damage to jackfruit containers en route.
Loaded trucks leave the factory carrying jackfruit products to clients.
Shipment records track every batch of jackfruit from factory to delivery.
Dispatched jackfruit products are now on their way to distribution points.
Cleaning the factory ensures hygienic conditions for the next jackfruit batch.
Every fresh jackfruit is carefully inspected to ensure it meets the factory's strict standards.
Defective jackfruit is separated to maintain consistent product quality.
Selected jackfruit is conveyed for thorough cleaning before further processing. Washing removes dirt and residues from every jackfruit efficiently. Post-wash inspection ensures jackfruit is clean and ready for peeling.
Peeling machines remove the tough outer skin of jackfruit without damaging the pulp. Core removal is done meticulously to maintain the quality of jackfruit pulp.
Seed separation ensures smooth processing for jackfruit products.
Slicing creates uniform pieces for consistent jackfruit product quality.
Operators ensure each jackfruit slice meets precise specifications.
A final rinse removes any residual particles, ensuring jackfruit hygiene.
Cooled jackfruit slices are checked for readiness before drying. Controlled dehydration removes moisture while preserving jackfruit quality.
Continuous monitoring prevents over-drying and maintains texture.
Cooling preserves the dried jackfruit slices' texture and prevents condensation.
Quality checks ensure uniformity in dried jackfruit before grinding.
Pneumatic transport moves jackfruit powder safely and hygienically. Sieving guarantees only fine jackfruit powder continues to packaging. Manual inspection ensures jackfruit powder is free of clumps. Automated filling ensures accurate jackfruit powder quantities in each container.
Sterilized containers maintain hygiene for jackfruit powder storage. Sealing maintains freshness and prevents contamination in jackfruit powder. Accurate filling preserves uniformity across jackfruit products.
Weight verification ensures each jackfruit container meets factory standards. Containers failing weight checks are removed to maintain product consistency.
Secondary inspection confirms jackfruit containers are ready for storage.
Airtight inspection preserves jackfruit freshness, and prevents moisture intrusion.
Proper palletizing ensures safe handling and warehouse organization for jackfruit products.
Climate-controlled storage maintains jackfruit quality over extended periods.
Random sampling confirms that all jackfruit packages maintain quality over time.
Pallets are prepared for timely distribution of jackfruit products. Final inspection ensures only high-quality jackfruit packages are dispatched.
Proper loading protects jackfruit containers during transit to clients.
Straps and padding prevent damage to jackfruit packages during transport.
Loaded trucks carry jackfruit products safely to their destinations. Digital shipment records track every batch of jackfruit from factory to delivery. Jackfruit products are now on their journey to distribution centers.